given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Alright, y'all, this is one of my old clients that's moved back to Texas, back from Louisiana, due to job purposes or whatnot. But anyway, he done copped him a 2019 Titan, Nissan Titan, man. It's my first time doing a Titan, a 2019 Titan. I'm liking it. Also, I'm liking the Titan engraved up in the thing. These Titans are tight, just what the name is, Titan. But as y'all can see, man, we're doing a detail on this thing today. And I'm going to show y'all. It came from all the way from Louisiana. So we have some dirt. Because Louisiana, through Houston and Louisiana, they had some bad weather going on. So I'm just show y'all the outside right now, which isn't too bad, other than the tires and the mud. But we're gonna be using the tire cleaner from the coating. See what that does. As y'all see, man, same thing. But here's the inside. We're gonna be wiping down everything, vacuuming, conditioning the leather. Let me get some light. Y'all see the bugs, whatnot. Let me light this sucker up real quick. Pull out the mat as I'm showing y'all. As y'all can see, they still have some dirt, cracks. As y'all see, man. Nice truck. Only thing with Titans, I know the last couple of Titans that came out, I want to say in the early 2000s, they had a lot of transmission problems. One of my bosses had two that brand new, and he bought them back because of the transmission problem. I think they fixed that on these though. This sucker is nice, strong, nice leather in there. What is that? It's not that bad to say it's a work truck. So let me set up my stuff and we're gonna get to work, man. Oh, before I show you, I want to show y'all this. But the only thing I'm gonna really be using is the cleaner for the tires right now. I won't be using the coating. I will only be using the cleaner for the tires just to see how good that works. Everybody says it's awesome. It takes out the brownness of the tires. Y'all know Super Clean does an awesome job also. But we're gonna be trying that, and if it works real good, like they say, we're gonna be purchasing it by the gallon and using it for also, tires. I wanted to say, maybe there's something to think about for your maintenance clients that come to you on a weekly or a monthly basis, to make it more easier for you. Maybe you ought to think about coating their tires. It will make it easy for you, and the tires will be clean, easy to clean, I mean. But with that being said, man, let's get right into it, man. Boom! All right, guys. Like I said, I'm only gonna be using the tire cleaner. Not gonna be using the rest of the stuff. Okay, this is what it comes with. Nice brush, the cleaner. This is the dressing. Gives you a spray bottle, gloves, microfiber pad, and the tire dressing thing. I'm not gonna be using that. I'm only gonna be using the gloves. And we're gonna set this up right here. Well, set it up right here. How about that? How about that, guy? Alright, y'all. Here we go. Alright, I'm only gonna be using the Dresden Man and the tire brush out of it. Okay, world's best tire cleaner and degreaser. Do not miss or spray tires from a distance. Avoid overspray and miss. Set sprayer to stream. Keep nozzle of sprayer very close to tire and slowly stream the tire cleaning process. Wear gloves. Kids, y'all know all that, whatever. Alright, it doesn't say diluted, but my guy said you can, but right now I'm gonna be using it straight out of the bottle. As y'all see, I'm gonna be using it straight, man. No cut. Let me put these gloves on. Let's see what it do. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Get a couple of seconds. I'm gonna spray some in here. It's acting already. I see it. Oh shit. What? Man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that brown. No shit, man. Wow. Wow. Let me go turn the pressure washer on, and I'm gonna put y'all back some. I don't want to get my camera wet. That looks damn good. I'll let y'all see it when it dries also. Just let this one sit for a minute. I don't want to stain the driveway up too bad. I'm gonna just keep this one off. Look at the brown stuff. Alright, I'll let y'all see once it dry. This one, we just sprayed it on and skidded it off. Y'all see how brown the tire is. y'all see when it's dry. Moving on to the next one. All right. Let's spray it again just to see if we're gonna get some more brownness out of there. All right. Let's keep the pressure off real quick. All right. It's activating just a little. As y'all see, that's white. That's not brown. It's turning white. Over here, because I can't get to it, the wheel turn, it's got a little brown to it. Alright, now I'm trying to check out my latest soap. Showing y'all my latest soap, man. That purple stuff. Yes, we gotta review this for Cargo Official. Car Official, I think. Yes. I'm doing this for Car Official. Reviewing this for Car Official, man. Y'all get it, man, support the movement, man. I like to support my peoples, man. My fellow detailers, I should say. You're doing something, man, good, man. I'm all about supporting, man. I never tried the coating yet, but the cleaner is awesome. These wheel wells, get that right. And stuff like that. Keep having to bring this camera back and forth, back and forth.
You went higher up.
I have a choice.
That looks good.
Yeah. It's alright.
That looks good, man. Compared to you driving around with the family Tahoe before and...
Trying to look like a business.
Oh, you look like a business, all right, brother. See all that construction there?
Got that purple.